Hi everybody, I'm Valerie and welcome back to IELTS Grader. In last week's video, we talked about some of the trends in topic of the 2020 prompts so far. This week, we're going to look in closer detail at the economics and finance trend of the prompts, how we can approach it, and some key vocabulary we can use when answering these types of questions. In last week's video, we spoke about how the economics and finance prompts tend to talk about either the wealth gap or improving the finances of a country. The prompts we're going to look at today actually includes parts of both of these different subsections. The prompt we are going to focus on in this video is: the money given to help poor countries does not solve the problem of poverty. So, which countries should give other types of help instead? To what extent do you agree or disagree? The first thing we want to do is identify the theme of the prompt, which, in the case of this particular prompt, is going to be other types of help. Now, in order to avoid redundancy, we want to think of a couple other words for help. This could be something like aid, assistance, donations, contributions. Other words that we can say in order to not repeat the word help over and over again in our response. Now, we want to identify what those other types of help could be. These are going to be your supporting details. If I think about what would help a country grow, I think of things like medicine, technology, infrastructure like roads, and other similar topics. Now, we need to decide if we think that money will help solve the problem of poverty and take a concrete stance on the issue. If I agree, I am going to say that countries should offer other types of help. If I disagree, I'm going to say that countries should offer money to help. To write the rest of your response, you are going to pick your two strongest supporting details and brainstorm how money would or would not help to solve this issue. If I agree that countries should provide other types of aid, maybe I can say that money will go to corrupt politicians, but that providing direct medical aid would help the people. If I disagree and I think that countries should donate money, maybe I could say that donating money to the government will help them develop new medical technology that will then directly benefit the people. Now, with your brainstorm, theme, stance, and the vocabulary from your supporting details, you can craft a strong thesis statement that will help you write a great response for this prompt. Remember, there's lots of different ways you can go about answering this question, I'm just giving you a basic example to help you get started. I hope you enjoyed this video, a walkthrough of a real 2020 IELTS Writing Task 2 prompt on economics and finance. How would you answer this prompt? Put your thesis statements in the comments below. We'd love to see how you would succeed on this prompt. See you next time at IELTS Grader.